Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this very short video I will show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2008 Ford F-150 powered by a 5.4 liter V8 engine. Now the engine air filter is located right here inside, so all you have to do, you don't need any tools, you have to unclip these two clips, so just like this. And once you do that, you can pull it straight out. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So remove it and install the new filter the same way. And before you slide it back in, make sure to clean the interior of this airbox. So maybe get a vacuum or something and vacuum out all the dirt and debris. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.